Tell me and my viewers here just why, in the first answer if you can, this Ether merger is so exciting and potentially supporting the price.
Right. Well, think of it as a great software update to, let's say, your phone. We're going to move off proof of work, which is a very energy intensive and computer power intensive process of verifying transactions, to moving to proof of stake, which is a new mechanism which will bring down prices, make everything faster. And, it ties in very nicely with the overarching theme of investing, eco-friendly ESG. And this has been one of the big critiques for crypto, that is very energy intensive, and this is bound to change. And hence we're seeing that huge rally that you referred to.
That's really interesting. So it addresses a lot of those concerns about making it a useful means of exchange and perhaps a longer-term asset as well. But just go back to one of my original concerns about crypto from years back now, and that is, surely if you have price stability, it becomes a better, more usable means of exchange, an alternative to traditional currencies as well. Are we going to get stability in the prices, or actually do you expect more violence in the price thereafter?
Well, over the long term, the trajectory of volatility is down. Yes, we see violent moves every now and then, but this is what gets us excited about crypto. I think ultimately things will calm down, and then you're going to see great things that are already being built out on top of networks such as Ethereum. Decentralized finance, for all its nascency, it has great promises. Some of the longer term protocols that have been around have allowed for great yield generation, which in the low interest environments of the past decade, 15 years, has been very exciting. The metaverse, which is coming slightly slower than us crypto folks would have it. There are great things to be built upon the existing network, and this shift to the proof of stake is going to make it even easier and more efficient to do so.
Antoni, my question is to what extent this is already priced in, though, at the moment? Because everybody in your industry knew it was coming. They've been excited about it for a very long time. Why hasn't the market already priced this in?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. I personally went long Ethereum around 1,300. I was considering whether it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. I decided against it, still holding on to it, even though it went above 2,000, which was my initial goal. So we will have to wait out and see. But it really depends on how quickly the new network picks up customers and transactions, because then it becomes a positive feedback loop where it could go much higher. And, one of the other benefits we didn't talk about is the fact that this change makes Ethereum less inflationary, which in an environment where we have the Fed, which is anything but less inflationary, is a great tool and an asset to allocate a portion of your funds of.